Hello and welcome to Rocky Rabbit's Daily Combo with a tutorial alongside. Today's tutorial we're going to be covering 3 ways to boost your level percentage. That's the level, right? Okay, so we're going to be covering that today. If this is your first time subscribing, I want to say a big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And for all returning subscribers, what can I say? You guys have been so amazing. Gracias, merci beaucoup. All right. Okay, please let's go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so that as soon as I upload the next important video for you, you will be the very first to get notified. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from and what level you're at with Rocky Rabbit. What challenges or issues are you having that you would like me to resolve through a tutorial? Okay. Look, you can get started with Rocky Rabbit actually by just getting a link in the description of this video, and also join my Telegram channel so that you can be getting updates, support, and all with my support through training and all that. Okay, get a link in the description also. Please, let's go ahead and get to first off. Let's do the first things. Do a daily streak, then we'll get a combo card, and then we'll go ahead to talk about the tutorial. 3 things or 3 ways you can actually adjust or boost your meter percentage, level percentage. Alright, because once you enter into any level, your percentage must fill up before you move to the next level. How do you boost it faster? We'll find out in this video. So let's go ahead. First of all, go to N to get a streak base. Now, I think I will also be doing the training alongside. Let's go back quickly. All right. One of the ways, I saw that as I go along, I'll be doing the teaching. One of the ways to boost the meter on the levels is through the daily streak. All right, through the daily streak, and let's go here. Through the daily streak, you just come here or carry out the daily tasks. All right, so carry out the daily tasks. All right, so the daily tasks include the daily streak, Enigma, and superset. Let's first of all do the daily streak. We're going to be adding 950k to that on the 19-day streak for me, and then let's see what level is. The level where it's at right now, 78%. Yes, no, 73% rather. Okay, so 73%. So let's add it quickly, and then we'll see the impact 950,000 will make on that. So check. All right, beautiful. So let's go ahead and check. You can see that it has increased to 81%. That's one way to do that. Of course, still under that section, you have your superset, right? The other way, before we come to the superset, another way to carry out the tax list here, carry them out. That's the second way. All these tax, carry them out, all right? And then after that, if I add this too, let's see. Okay, let's go. Still 81% because it wasn't much of an impact. And once this gets to 10 million, I guess this will be full, and then we'll upgrade to the next level. So let's go ahead now to the supersets. Okay, so superset will probably knock it off, fill it up, right? So that's the third way. So you use the daily. Okay, that's the second way. The other way is by tapping. As you're tapping, it's also increasing the points. So the point is what actually drives the level to the peak. Okay, so quickly, the first card of the day, we're going to under fighter venture, and we're going to scroll down to hosting branded fitness events. So take that. So the next card, we'll get it under coach. The next 2 cards will get it under coach. We'll be using teaching basic techniques, this one. And the third card will be here also. Let's go to claim. And let's look for evaluating progress. All right, so those are the 3 cards for today. So quickly, let's check. Absolutely. So now this should now push the meter to the full. So it becomes, so now we are able to be asked to upgrade. So let's go. Claim super set, right? And there you go. So let's go ahead and check. Wow, it didn't fill it up. Okay, so that means it's beyond 10 million, right? So this is 98% right now. So the next other way, which is, I've done two ways now, right? First the daily tax, next the tax list, and then the other daily tax. This is the superset and the enigma, and the daily strict login is they are among the three of them. Then the tax links, you have several of them. Okay, so next now we're going to be doing is the tapping. Tapping is another way you can also do that. So when you exhaust this, okay, you just tap it, and okay, let me quickly finish it on time by collecting a boost. All right, except if we finish this and there's another one we can quickly collect that is doing that. Okay, so let's collect the turbo and boost it. So we quickly boost it. All right, so we boost it. So we'll tap as fast as we can to boost that. So by the time we are done, most probably it will really, okay, wow, 1006. So so it's still there at 98%. So but you have to keep on tapping and tapping until you are able to get it. So these are the three ways you can actually boost or increase the meter limits for each level. So we're at 98% now, just 2%. But by the time we log it in fact, let me even play a fourth way. Of course, it's still the tapping, but the bot works for me in the background. Go to boost and check. If you look at here, you can see there was the hourly income limit. This works in the background. All right. So by the time we log out and come back in, maybe just stay away for a few minutes and come back in, it probably would have gathered some points that we can use to now push this up. Okay, you know, as I'm out here right now, I'm able to maybe just stay away for like a minute or two. By the time we get back in, the system, the bot will work in the background, and whatever it generates will be added to the points there, and those points will now push it further, probably to an upgrade. Let's check whether it has added anything. Excuse me, please. Okay, now, but the point is here, I'm not sure it's big enough. So this is another way, fourth way, it also increases, the limits. Okay, so but be it as it may, probably by the time we come back for the daily enigma, later in the day, we'll probably see this filled up. Okay, so go ahead and like the video, or maybe when I come back to tap, because already I think I can tap already. So probably when I come back to tap again, it would have also increased. So these are the ways. I think I've even mentioned 4 ways instead of 3. All right, that's well, it's still part of the 3 because tapping, even if the bot is tapping it or you are tapping it yourself. So I think it's still 3. So 3 ways you can boost your meter level. All right, so go ahead, like the video, share it, and then let the conversation continue. So how are you able to boost your points today? Have you been able to do that? Okay, let me know in the comments. And what challenges would you have me resolve through the tutorial? Let me also know in the comments and let the conversation continue. I appreciate you so much for your patience, for your time, for really being a part of the plan, for trusting me to really give you the direction you need to succeed with these Web3 projects. I sincerely appreciate. Thank you very much, and God bless you.